Hey everyone, I live in Kansas, and I just want to apologize in advance if the phone's shaking because I'm walking up to a pretty nice lightning storm right now in the distance, and just thought I'd press record to see what we can capture. So I'm walking right now, and hopefully I can get some good footage for y'all who are watching. But as I was coming home, there's some really crazy lightning bolts in the air, and so I figured once I get home I would just kind of walk to the park and see what happens. Usually I post stand-up comedy clips, but this is going to be a little bit of a different video tonight. That's a nice one. Big money, big money, big money. Big money, big money. Nice. If you are watching this, comment where you're watching it from, what state. Let's see if we can get right in this little park valley. My phone's less than 20%, so hopefully we can be here just for a couple minutes. And I thank you for watching. One time I almost got hit by lightning here in Kansas. It hit about 2 feet away from me, and there really was like an atomic, I want to say an atomic cloud, and I could feel the force and the pressure, and it literally launched me. I'm just thankful it didn't hit me. This is cool. Yeah, here in Kansas, we can get some bizarre weather from time to time. Like really bizarre. It's really bipolar out here. Big money, big money, big money. I'm only going to make this video about 5 minutes long, but over the course of the next couple months, when we do see bizarre weather, subscribe, and you can check out my other videos. But I do post a lot of comedy content. I'm trying to make it as a comedian. I'm known as the almost funny comedian, but that's another story. But this is for your viewing pleasure. And in the comments, let me know the most bizarre weather thing you've ever seen happen for you, wherever you live. Like mine was, like I said, almost getting hit by lightning. And then one time I was in Dallas, Texas, and I got caught in a flash flood on the freeways. And if you've ever been to Dallas, you know those freeways are crazy. But imagine it being your first time and being on those freeways and caught in a flash flood. Couldn't see, saw like 15 accidents, thought I was gonna die, I was praying I was gonna go to heaven. I wanna stop talking though, and give you guys a little overtime. Big money, big money, big money. I want to say it's traveling further away, probably towards Oklahoma, but I could be wrong. Give us a nice one. Yeah, so if you are watching this, make sure to subscribe. And like I said, let me know where you're from and what's the craziest weather situation you've personally ever encountered. Mother Nature is undefeated. Big money, big money, big money. And the grand finale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good night. Okay, I'll take it. All right, bye guys.